Hi everybody, I want to make a neon logo on wall today. Okay. First I make a comp. Click here and put OK and import wall and neon sound effect. Then I press Ctrl T to write a text. For example, my name, Mohsen. Okay. Click on text and go to layer and auto trace to make mask from your text. Look, this masks. Press OK to create a mask. Turn it off and in effects and presets, search saber, add to this layer, and here select neon, and in customize core select layer mask, and you see your text convert to saber or neon. And here decrease it 3. It's good. It's like a neon. I want make neon light when it's off. Select pen tool and select this, change color to this color and draw a shape, for example this. Okay, click here and go to this layer to mask 1. Click this and press Ctrl C to copy that and go to contents and shape and path. Click on path and Ctrl V to paste that shape, and click on path 1 and press Ctrl D to duplicate this to create path 2 for another word, and select mask 2 and select mask path, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Do this for others masks. Okay, we create shape of our text. Okay, press V to select selection tools. Okay, go to effect and preset, search bevel alpha, add to our shape layer, and increase. Look at this. This effect make our shape 3D. 20 is okay. or maybe 50. Okay, then add tint effect. Okay, it looks like it's off our neon light. Move this layer to top of or above of this layer, off layer. Change this position by arrow. Okay, it's okay. Let's make our wall background. Import wall. Go to, for make it transparent, go to saber layer and go to effect control here, render setting, and change black to transparent. Okay, make it bigger, and here search lumetri color, add to this layer and decrease exposure, and go to vignette and decrease this to -5. Okay, and for making a light on wall, select this layer and turn stroke off and turn fill on, and select this, select this. Go to character, for copy this color and select this. Okay, and draw your light. Okay, it's okay. Okay. Add blur effect. Gaussian blur. And go to mode and change mode to overlay, or test this items, screen, soft light, hard light, I think soft light is better, or a screen and press T and decrease opacity. Yes, it's okay. And we want make some flicker. Select this 3 layer and Ctrl Shift D, or right click and pre-comp. Okay. And here Shift Delete D to divide this layer, and go to here and type strobe light. Add to this layer. And change this to layer transparent, and this to, for example, 10 and 0.07.14, and random strobe. Decrease this. Okay, and add our sound effect. From here. Okay. And for some flicker here, go to this layer and click our strobe layer and go to effect control and go to flicker and change this to, for example, 40. Decrease resolution to render better. Okay. Excuse me, add a strobe light to change cursor to here and shift select the saber layer and Ctrl Shift Delete and add to this layer. When it's off, decrease to 0. When it's off, we see off light. Okay. And let's see that. And our backlight. Strobe, copy this to this. It's very good. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.